Okay, Phil, this is Matt, and I'm going over the video for your son's 4Runner transmission. You'll recall when you were here, we showed you that the pump was broken. In this area right here, has a piece of the pump broken off, probably when someone worked on it before. As you remember, the clutch plates were burned in all the drums, and the lining is right down to the steel. See how shiny that is there? There's no clutch left at all on that clutch plate. There was a lot of rust inside. I don't know the total extent of hard parts yet, but we'll have them all on the bill. As far as the gears that might have any rust in them, the inside of this one looks okay. On this hub, you'll remember the hub was damaged. That supports the clutch drum. So this particular hub that goes in this housing over here will need to be replaced. It goes down in there, and that clutch drum that goes on that hub was damaged on the inside. You'll recall right in this area right here, and the clutch plates were down to the steels, so they were slipping so badly the vehicle wouldn't move. We've got contamination all through this transmission of rust and friction material and metal from the grinding, and so all the solenoids in this valve body group will all be replaced with the rebuild, along with the torque converter, even though it had been replaced before because of contamination. You'll recall that we mentioned to you that the cable that goes up to the engine, the throttle cable, is busted on the end, and someone had previously siliconed it to try to save the cost of replacing that cable, but it was leaking there. And in any case, from one end of the table all the way to the other, it's your main transmission housing, your middle housing, and your transfer case housing will all have to be resealed and rebuilt. And that's pretty much it, one end to the other. That's a big transmission. There's a lot of parts here. There's a second valve body in the back here, and that will also have a solenoid that needs to be replaced. And anyway, along with the hot flush of the cooler lines, we'll get you going. Alright, Clifton, this is our hot flush machine. This is flushing a transmission out right now. It's not hooked up to your car at the moment, but you can see the lines go up, and they connect to the cooler lines of the transmission, and then the lines pump the hot transmission fluid. Right now the fluid is up to about 179 degrees. It's pumping through it about 40 pounds of pressure. It's on looks like a 60-minute cycle, and it is reverse flushing air pressure from the shop that's connected to the machine. Every 3 seconds it reverse flushes a pulse of air through there for turbulence. On the flow meter, we can see we're flowing 4 gallons per minute, and of course when we're through flushing lines on your transmission, yours will flow like this as well, and the lines will be completely clean, and the cooler will be completely clean for your transmission, and no debris or metal will then get back into the new transmission. That's our hot flush.